You will never always be motivated, so you must learn to be disciplined. My only competitor is the person I was yesterday. In this video, I share how a little progress each day adds up to big results.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
What's up, Nova Nation? This is your girl, Vana SUPERNOVA. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Vana, but you can call me V. On my channel, I cover wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. I'm currently on a weight loss journey, which I've named Journey to Onederland. In this new chapter of my weight loss journey, I'm striving to be under 200 pounds. So if you are interested in following me on this journey, please consider subscribing so you will not miss a thing. So we're starting off our night in the gym. I'm actually just coming home from work. Ever since the shutdown started, my schedule has been fluctuating at work so significantly that anytime I have a chance to go into the gym is a win for me. I will say that I do have a preference for going to the gym because all of the classes are led by coaches, and I feel like at this stage in my weight loss journey, I do need a weight loss coach or a fitness coach just to hold me accountable because life is busy and it's easy to get discouraged, especially during these trying times. Today we're actually doing a full body workout, so we're working mostly all the muscles in the body, or at least trying to touch up on each muscle in the body. I'm here on a Friday night. I actually missed a full week of workout, so this is actually my first time in a while back in the gym, and I am in pain, you guys. I don't know if you see me huffing and puffing, but I am just trying to chug through this workout by all means necessary. As you can see, the coach is coming by, making sure I'm okay, making sure that I'm doing the proper movements, and of course, giving a few tips just so I can perfect my form. The reality is I really didn't think I was going to make it to the gym today, being that I haven't been making it to the gym at all this week, but I think the hardest part is actually just making it to the gym. Once I get there, I get the motivation that I need, but getting to the gym, making myself accountable, making myself get in the car, making myself take my pre-workout, that's the hardest part. Pacing yourself and allowing yourself to grow into the habits you want to attract is imperative. It's one workout at a time, one meal at a time, one day at a time. It's not going to happen overnight. And having a routine really does help. That's why I share my planner content with you all. I want you to see everything from the conception of the idea to work out all the way through the execution. I want you to see how I meal plan, how I meal prep, how I grocery shop. I want you to see every step of the way, just so you can see how I do it, and hopefully it motivates someone to do it themselves. The workouts that you're seeing in today's video are actually doable at home. So if you have any sandbags or if you have a pillowcase that you would like to throw something that's a little heavier and malleable, then you can go ahead and accomplish these workouts at home. After today's workout, I do have to do some light grocery shopping. Please look out for grocery hauls because I have a few coming back to back. I also have some videos showing my meal plan and prepping, so the plan with me's will actually be back to back as well. Going into this last set with the sandbags, I'm super pumped, I'm super excited because I'm thinking, oh, we are almost done. Little did I know we were about to enter the hardest part of the entire workout. We had to get on all fours, then we had to lift the rope and then do a push-up, or in my case, a girl push-up, which is still difficult for me. I'm still not there yet, you guys. I'm still working hard, but I'm not giving up. You're gonna see a couple of times the coach is gonna have to come and work out with me because when we got on the ground, honey, I thought I was just going to pass out. Look at me, I am trying and I am not giving up. I am huffing and puffing, but I am still pushing, and that's what you have to do every single day. Now this movement right here is the most challenging of all. You're actually supposed to have both hands in the air as well as both feet in the air and hold that position for about a minute or two, or as long as you can, and I can't do it for 2 seconds, honey. But that's honestly what I love about recording my journey, is because I already know that eventually I'll get better, I'll get stronger, I'll be able to do all the movements that I can't complete or accomplish now. So this is just going to be a diary for me. It's gonna serve as something that I'm gonna use as a reminder for myself, like, hey, this is where you started and this is where you are now. I literally dream of the days where I can look back on this and think, wow, it was all worth it. I mean, towards the end of the workout, I seriously was like, it was excruciating pain and I didn't think I could go on anymore. But the fact that the coaches were right there, that motivated me to keep going. So even if you don't have a coach, even if you just have a friend, even online, heck, this video itself could serve as that purpose, where you have somebody who's kind of pushing through with you. You need that support, you need that community, you need that tribe, you need to know that someone's going to be there to kind of help you on your way. You can't do it alone. You don't want to do it alone. So that's exactly why having videos like this, having communities like this are so important, just so that you're able to communicate with others and share with others your journey. And just like that, the hardest part is over. As quickly as it started, it's over. So right now we are just doing some burpees. We are going to go ahead and get ready to wind down in regard to the gym workout, and then I'm going to go ahead and head on over to the grocery store. But before I do, of course, remember you always have to end your workouts with a stretch. It doesn't matter how comfortable you feel. It doesn't matter how good you feel. You have to stretch that body out. This is what my timing is looking like. I don't think it's as accurate as it should be in regard to how many calories were burned. I'm heading over to Publix. It's one of my favorite grocery stores. Publix literally has everything that I need in regard to my weight loss journey. If it doesn't have it, I know where to get it. I can either go online, I can go to the gym, or I can go to GNC. For those of you who do not have a Publix in your area, let me just tell you, Publix is the best thing happening in Florida. Literally, Publix has the best subs, but we're actually not here for the subs. We are here for the groceries and I have to walk away from the deli department. We're actually just picking up a few items that I'll need for the week for meal planning and prepping. We'll need to go ahead and make sure that we're not eating out every single day, which is a habit that I really do need to break. Anytime it's lunchtime and I don't have any food at the house or don't have any food packed up, I always end up going out to eat. So I'm trying to make sure to always be intentional about when I shop and making sure that there's always an option of food for me to eat at the house. I'm still in the stage where I'm transitioning from keto to Weight Watchers. For some reason, it's been very hard to bridge the two together because they're really opposite of each other. There's one that's telling you to have high-fat foods and to have a high-fat diet, while on the other end of the spectrum is saying low-fat everything. Make sure you're looking at the calories in, calories out, etc. Both create beautiful results. I love both. But right now I'm trying to explore the world of Weight Watchers and I'm trying to do it right. Everything that I'm buying, I'm scanning through the Weight Watchers app, and then I am trying to formulate my meals and make sure that my meals are following the guidelines for WW Purple Plan, because that's what I'm currently on. If you haven't already seen my WW Purple Plan video, I will link it down below. There will be more WW videos to come, but I don't want to make it seem like WW is the only way to lose weight, because keto did work for me. I hit a plateau and I decided to make a change. So this is the change I chose, but it doesn't mean that I'll be WW for the rest of my life. Eventually, I want to get to the point where I'm able to just eat and focus on calories in, calories out, and create that deficit and be able to do this on my own. I don't want to depend on an app forever. I don't want to depend on any form of eating forever. I don't want to restrict myself to the point where I give up. So this is just what I'm doing for now. I do want to thank you all for joining me today. If you enjoyed it here, please be sure to give this video a huge like so I know to make more just like it. And don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye!